Hey everybody, this is Intro, and today in this video we're going to be going over the netstat-s command. So in the command line, this command basically shows you the statistics for each protocol on your system. So if we type it in, press enter, you'll see that we will get the statistics for each protocol. Each one has a title, and each one shows pretty basically how many segments or how many packets are being sent and received. And the big thing about this to remember is this will be very helpful when researching latency in your programs. If you don't remember from before, latency is how long it takes from A or server A to reach server B, and then how long it takes server B to respond to server A. So when doing latency checks and checking for sort of redundant values in your network, you're really going to need to use this command. Something to really understand. Another quick thing I'm going to show really fast is actually how to save these as text files. So, going back through all of these command lines in the future will get pretty helpful to be able to just save it as a text file straight from the command prompt without any, having to copy down all this information, because a lot of times you're going to need it, especially, if you run ipconfig and you need your IP address and you want to manually configure it to your network. You're really going to need to be able to make a text file out of the command prompt. And this is pretty much the only way, unless you just copy down all of the information. So what we're going to do is type in whatever command we use. So we had the netstat /s command. So I'm going to type in netstat -s and then the greater than sign, and then we're going to save it as a file name. So after you put the greater than sign, enter a file name. So I'll just put new netstat file and then save it as a .txt or a text file. Click enter, and as you can see, my access just got denied. That's because I didn't have a command prompt running in administrator mode. So what I'm going to do, open it in administrator mode. Alright, so what we'll do is netstat s netstat s and then okay, and as you can see, this time I didn't get the error message. And if you're wondering, this didn't define a destination, but easy way to find it is just go to run, or if you have Windows 8, go to search and just type it in and you'll find it. Netstat and as you can see, mine's right here and was saved into this text file. And that's basically all I wanted to show you guys for today. What I'm going to do in my next video is another tracer command, and it's going to show you how many host names, or it's going to show you the host names for every hop between your workstation and a destination. So if you remember traceroute, it follows your command and it shows you how many hops it takes from one to another. So that's what we're going to be doing in our next tutorial, and I'll see you there. So please like and subscribe, and you guys have a good day.